and some information that you need to make the order itself. So once you receive the order, you can just go back into your Temu account, just click on add to cart. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the correct information here that you've chosen from your store. And from here, let's go and click on add to cart. Now in this case, once it's actually added to your cart, what we need to do is go back into our page here, click on the cart at the top right here. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to select the products that we want to ship out. In this case, make sure to select the product itself. And from here, what we need to do is you just need to basically check out Temu affiliate program. How do you join their affiliate program? In this case, you might be wondering, what is Temu and what is Temu's affiliate program? Well, Temu is like a platform similar to Amazon, so they are going to be a competitor of Amazon here, and Temu is actually rapidly growing here. There's a lot of users currently using Temu right now. Now, in this case, for you to maximize, start using their affiliate program, what we need to do first is we need to go to Temu.com. And from here at the very bottom, you should be able to see a section for affiliate programs. Now, it should be on the footer itself. So typically, it's going to be on the company info and affiliate and influencer earn commission section. Now, once you click on it, you should be able to see this page here that says earn commissions with Temu affiliate and influencer. In this case, you go and click on get started here for you to get started with their affiliate program. But just to give you some information, the affiliate program itself might not be available on every country, so make sure to check first if it's actually available. Now, if you do see the affiliate and influencer section here, it means the affiliate program for Temu is available on your country and you don't have to worry about that. Now, in this case, once you click on get started, this is what you'll be seeing here. Now, in this case, how do you start the affiliate program here? There are going to be multiple ways on how to use their affiliate program. So first is through the affiliate section here. So we have three tabs or three sections here that we could use. So the affiliate section actually allows you to share coupon bundles, even share free gifts here, 30% off, or even just percentage off, like discounts. You could basically share this to other people. Now, the great thing about this platform, or in this case Temu, is you could actually leverage, or in this case you could earn on the program itself, and people that actually use your link or use your code could actually earn as well. So they could get discounts or even some form of gift that they could use or get from the platform itself. Now, in this case, if you want to share it, you could go ahead and click on the share button here that you see next to the referral section. So for example, you can go and click on share here, and from here you should be able to see the share option here, which in this case you should be able to see the actual code itself, and also share this on Facebook, X, Pinterest, or even via email. Or you could just basically copy this text here and share this to the platform that you want to share it to. Now, in this case, depending on the current region that you have, you could earn a specific amount on your specific links here. So, for example, you could earn up to, like, for example, 100 pound, depending on your current region. So, in this case, the earn potential here would depend on the region itself, as well as the how much or how active you are on sharing your links. Now, in this case, that is the first option for you to actually start earning. So whenever someone uses your link or your code, you should be able to earn some balance on it. Like, for example, download reward is around 90 Philippine peso here in my case, so which is 30% commission. Now, in this case, if you use the pick items option here, it actually allows you to basically share a specific reward, or in this case a exclusive deal, to different people, and basically get a commission for that. Like, for example, for this shoe, you could earn up to 192.6 Philippine peso here if you actually share this to other people, and people actually start using that specific link or code that you have. So in this case, you go and click on the earn up to option here, and from here you go and share your QR code or save this image here and start sharing this to other platforms. Now, this is the second way here. Now, you could also use free gifts here, all or men accessories, or you could even choose different categories here. Or in this case, the hot one is going to be the exclusive deal as well. Now, you could also share, basically search for items here if you want to. Now, you could also earn on the invite affiliate. So meaning you could actually invite different people to